Hey guys, so in this video today I just wanted to talk about good looking websites versus not good looking websites. Because when I first started, the first website that ever made me my first online dollar was not a good looking website. It was a very plain, I thought website, like to be online you would need like some type of really fancy blog type website, and it would go through that. I didn't really understand squeeze pages and funnels, and then once I did, I learned through, it was like it started good and then I messed around and then I learned as far as how it went. So like the first website, so to speak, that made me money online was a really simple squeeze page. And the squeeze page had just like a single like form right in the center of the page. The background was like some type of like beach setting, and then there was just like a headline, and you couldn't even scroll. Like it was just a simple opt-in form in the middle of the page with a headline essentially. And the lead magnet itself was a video that was delivered on the next page. There was nothing except for just like the video and then a button, and that's it. There was no text, there was nothing else. But it worked. I mean, it did the trick and made me like my first dollar online, making an affiliate commission because of the link that was set up through there. So, yeah, and then the thing is, after that, then I thought, okay, well, the more fanciness that you put in, the better your conversion rate will be. And then after doing many tests over time and trying like different things, little arrows, and spending time like getting, logos created and graphics and that type of thing. And then I've done, split test, set up other landing pages and tested out and saw for myself that it doesn't, like, pretty doesn't matter, right? Like an ugly sales page or landing page or any page like that, it's more about the words and what's said on the page. Like, yeah, you don't want some like old nasty graphics web page. There's still plenty of ugly web pages on the internet, but when in doubt, go simple. Keep it simple, keep it clean, and it will probably perform way better than investing about a bunch of time and energy trying to make it, fancy and looking all spiffy and whatnot. So you can always go back and pretty something up, but don't get enamored with the looks of things and how pretty your website should be. Thanks for watching this. I'll see you in the next video.